on my insert bus, I like to use a plugin from Waves called Max Bass. It's a really nice plugin to give your bass like that little extra, or when it's not really cutting through the mix, or for some other reason. I use this as like I wouldn't say as a surgery tool, but something in between. Let's see how it sounds with a max bass on it, around 67 hertz. Without, and now I turn it on again. So now it has more pressure and more, more bass. Then I make a little gap with an equalizer around, just a few dB, around 100 hertz, to make it, not interfere with that frequency of the kick drum. And then I'm gonna turn on the sidechain compressor already, and then show you a really cool plugin that I use a lot for my basses with the UAD Neve 88 RS Legacy plugin. So first turn this on. Big difference. And now I'm going to switch on the UAD Neve channel strip. Really cool plugin by UAD. I said in the beginning that I wouldn't, use any UAD plugins or anything, but like for this kick drum to, get this specific sound, it's necessary. Or a kick drum, the bass part. So I'm going to switch it on. Off.